I'm sorry if I made you angry, but you know something? I'm not here for that. I just decided to bring you this banana so you can eat it as a dessert. Have it. Come on.
Ajma, are you okay? Yes. You saw what? The most beautiful lady in the world, in this community. Ajma, are you not supposed to be engaged to Mavi? Forget Mavi. Don't you know that I was having intentions of breaking up with her? Ha!
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Our life can sometimes be very different from what we planned. My world is turned upside down by my mistakes of the past, and the consequences can be seen worldwide. A young man with a vision of becoming a professional tutor was shattered by my own indiscipline and uncalled for behavior. My name is Prosper Mawili, a descendant from the great Ametoma Willis family from the Volta region of Ghana. This is my life story in a small village called Bredi, and I call it Back in the Days.
Araba, hurry up and let's go.
So take your time. Am I not pumping this water at it?
The sun is scorching and you're keeping long.
I know, but take your time. Here we are.
Hey, you this girl.
Where did you buy your balloons from?
Does it concern you?
Hey!
You this girl, I'll beat you. Look at her big head.
They don't respect.
You don't respect
try
any...
me, oh.
Share. You don't respect anything. You think somebody is your age mate? You think we are your age mate, eh? I will beat you blue black. You try me.
Girl, leave them. Let's go.
Hurry up and go.
You don't respect. Yeah, I'll find this one. It's okay, don't mind them.
Hey, madam, I beg. Make a fetch first. No, a gentleman like me don't have to join a queue.
A gentleman who doesn't wear slippers. You're always barefooted.
How does that concern you? Is that your feet?
Fetching.
Is that your feet? Then let me fetch first. Ah, you cry, why? You don't respect cry.
Or Jato like you.
Jato.
Give me my balloon, no. Give me my balloon.
Hey, leave my shirt.
Give me my balloon, no.
I'll beat you.
You're collecting a balloon.
You this guy.
Give my balloon, no. I'll go and tell my mom.
You don't respect at all in this community. Leave me. I'll slap you. I'll slap you there, so.
You're not fetching any water. You're collecting a balloon.
You want me to beat you, eh?
For free like you.
I'll slap you.
Hey, calm down. What is going on here?
See this girl, so.
It's the free Jato.
Hey, you these two girls, why? Why do you always call him by names? Ofri, Jato, why? What at all has he done to you
They
girls?
don't have manners. They don't have manners.
Come on, this is uncalled for. We are all
Leave
human.
me alone, hey!
Okay?
He has burst our balloon.
But this is nothing. Balloons? Huh?
Please, stop it.
Besides, I think your parents are waiting for you home to get the water.
Tell your grandmother, you're not chilling.
Please, just calm down.
It is hard.
You know what? They are ladies. It should be put on them.
I'm also a gentleman.
I know, but you know, if anything happens to them, you're gonna be held responsible. You know that?
And if anything also happened to me, they are also have this dead wife responsible.
It's okay. It's okay. Just where's the bathroom?
There is it.
Okay. Calm down, okay? I can even help you do it. Don't worry.
No.
I want you to cool down, okay?
I'm okay. I'm okay. They are just.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Brago.
Brago. Are you sure you are in this village?
Am I sure? I live here. Is anything the matter?
You are very beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey! Anyways, I'm from the city.
Hey.
Yeah, Kumasi.
You came from the city?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too. You are welcome. We came here to do some assignment for the government, to check your community and see some things that can bring development so that the government will attend to you.
Okay, a community project.
That's right.
Oh, okay.
We are staying at Jensen's house.
Ah, okay. The one
that is where we are staying.
Okay.
But to be frank, I have seen the most beautiful girl in the world.
You said your name is
Ajimai.
Ajimai is my name. You are flattering me.
Let me do that. You are beautiful.
Thank you.
So where do you stay?
Oh, I just live here where the canteen is.
Oh, that house?
Yes.
Oh,
that's right.
Then I'll pay you a visit.
Okay.
Very beautiful girl.
Okay. So I'll see you around.
I'll see. Hey, by the way, please, can you show me where the public toilet is?
You mean you want a place to shit?
Yes, a place to shit. Yes.
Hey, I thought city people you don't shit oh.
Are we not humans? We do shit, Papa. My dear, show me, and let me release something.
Okay, so just go behind the coconut.
That is where they told me, but I don't know the exact place. Can
Yes,
you please be specific?
It's behind.
Behind.
Yes.
Behind now. Very good. Okay. Brago. Beautiful, sexy Brago. Go and let me look at your back, Brago. Near my Brago.
Haven't I told you to stop this rubbish act of yours? Haven't I?
Alekim, I'm sorry if I made you angry. But you know something? I'm not here for that. I just decided to bring you this banana so you can eat it as a dessert. Have it. Come on.
Now, get this straight into your brains. I don't love you. I will never love you and ever love you.
Alekim, what have you done?
You won't believe what I saw on my way here.
What did you see?
I saw the most beautiful girl in the world, in this community.
Ajimai, are you okay?
Yes.
You saw what?
The most beautiful lady in the world, in this community.
Ajimai, are you not supposed to be engaged with Mavi?
Forget Mavi. Don't you know that I was having intentions of breaking up with her? Charlie, I'm talking about what I just saw. This girl is very beautiful. And I can't wait to date her.
You can't wait to date her. Ajimai, don't forget, we are strangers in this community. Ajimai, don't also forget there are norms and customs in this town that you may not know. Ajimai, be careful.
My brother, forget about the customs and the norms. I can't imagine seeing this beautiful girl in those beautiful clothes and dresses in the city. Oh gosh.
Hey.
I'm in love, bro.
Ajima, you are dead. You are in love.
Yes, of course.
Ajima, we came here for an assignment. Huh? Count me out of this.
Oh, so you are angry?
Count me out of this.
Huh?
Assignment brother say you are telling me about putting some dress and...
If you won't buy an oh yeah. Oh, Charlie, wait for me. Yo.
To finish what you said you were going to do for me.
Yes, I finished with it at night.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Kelly, what's going on between you and Teacher Maoli?
Nothing is going on between us.
Why do you ask? No, nothing. No, just being curious too. But it seems you like him.
Consumer, let's concentrate on our school. Why are you acting strange?
Okay. You think I don't know you've been sleeping with Teacher Maoli?
God forbid. You can't do that.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go and fetch the firewood.
Consumer. Please, there's something I want to discuss with you.
Mama, I think I've met my dream husband. A man of my dreams.
Yes, don't make us jealous. We all know Bobole Bobo is a very hard-working man.
Yes. Bobole Bobo. We are talking about meeting fortunes, getting to see good buildings, eating good food, fried rice with chicken, wearing good clothes. You are talking about Bobole Bobo. Every day, cassava plantain, cassava plantain.
Hey, Brago! You are ungrateful. Eh? Don't tell me you are seeing another man.
Of course! I've met someone who is able to take me to the city. This person can take me to the city, go and wear big clothes, go and see nice buildings. I'm talking about Bobole Bobo. Bobole Bobo. Hey.
Brago, be careful, okay? Be very, very careful. Turn your head.
Nanama, why are you sounding like a villager? Look at you. Look at me. We shouldn't stay in the village forever. We should go to the city.
Hey, Brago, me, a villager. Thank you.
Are you not staying in the village?
Are you not also in the village?
We are villagers, but your own is too much. You have to go to the city. Think of going to the city to go make money. Yeah. I was thinking you were even going to support what I'm saying. Don't you want to go to the city? Hey, go to the city. Look at this house surrounding us. We should be able to go to the city and go and make money.
Bravo,
at least wear good clothes, wear heels, wear nice dresses. See what we are wearing. Are you happy with it?
Be careful. That's what I'll tell you. Be very, very careful.
Oh, do you?
Papa. Please. Our forthcoming exams is approaching and I have to pay my fees. All my friends have paid theirs. Please, do something.
Frema.
Papa.
I understand. But you see, I have not been able to raise enough money. We need to work really hard in the farm so we can gather foodstuffs. Then, after selling, we can raise enough money for that. Okay?
Okay.
Are you sure? Okay, don't worry. You wash your hand and let's eat, okay?
Papa, have you washed yours?
Okay, you don't worry. It's okay, it's okay. Hey, Freeman. Okay.
Hey! My beautiful Bravo. How are you doing?
I'm not feeling well.
Huh? What is wrong?
I've been feeling fever since I woke up.
Sorry, Nana. Good morning.
Good morning, Bobalo.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Bravo, you are sick and you didn't come to my house.
I just don't want to worry you. You are going to the farm.
You know you and I, there is nothing like worry. You should have come to my house when you started feeling such. Please, have you gotten some medicine?
Can you help me put my leg?
Oh, okay. Have you gotten some medicine?
I took medicine from the house for the future. I didn't know I would get sick now. I thought it would come in the evening.
Oh, change of plans. You know, the last time you went with me to the farm, I was able to read half of the plot. So I thought today you could go with me so that I can finish the rest. Okay. This time around, I'll make sure that I'll get you a rat. Okay. Whether it is pregnant or not, I'll bring it to you. But make sure you take a very good care of yourself for me. Okay. Nanama, please, with all due respect, make sure you take a very good care of my sweetheart for me.
Oh, okay.
You know she's my everything. Please.
Yes, I will.
Please, let's go in so that you can come back and come and cook for me. I can't do anything.
Okay, I'll be back very soon. And please, this time around, I'll get you a rat. Whether it is pregnant or not pregnant, I'll make sure I'll bring one for you. Okay. I will take my leave now. Mama.
Take care, okay?
Thank you.
Okay. Be safe.
Okay, bye-bye.
This girl can lie. I will tell you. Baba!
What is the meaning of that?
Are you mad?
I'll bet that Manamo! Continue.
Go to your house. Go.
Call his name again.
Must she follow me around?
You're shouting.
If she doesn't care, Elom, I will personally deal with her.
Come on, Elikem. So is it a crime for a girl to propose to you? Huh? You're overreacting. Also,
you don't get me.
How can I? Oh.
Hey girls, you people should talk to your friend.
Elikem, what's all this?
What? She is disturbing me, and they have to know so that they can stop her. Hey, your friend is Iwa. She is disturbing me. I don't know. I love you, Elikem. I'm this, I'm that. I beg in the name of God. Tell her to stop disturbing me. I beg you.
Elikem. Please, I'm sorry. Like, he has some problem at home, you see. So we are sorry, okay. We are very sorry, okay.
Don't worry, okay.
I'll talk to you. Don't worry. You can go. Right. You can go. You go.
somebody like say.
Teacher Maui.
Apele.
Teacher Maui, I would like to visit you tonight.
Apele. You know, that is very nice of you to want to visit me. But it is not possible tonight.
Teacher Maui, why?
You see, I've got a lot of assignments to mark, and that will make it possible.
Oh, Teacher Maui, don't worry. I can wait for you to mark it all.
Really, I know you like me as much as I do. But you see, let me reserve the energy for you so that another time when you come, I will give you honey and milk to enjoy.
I want to do this.
Oh, really? I need to do all these things and I will get tired after that. So just understand,
Okay.
Apele.
Teacher Maui.
A beautiful, smart girl. You see, you can go and play with your friends.
I'm going to Pansima.
That's your friend. Okay.
Teacher Maui.
Apele.
Hey, my sister. So you had the courage to propose to him. I love you. I like him this. I like him that. But wait, must you follow him around?
Me, I love him more. I love him, and I'm not shy about it.
Stop it. You're just being too cheap.
I wholehearted accept that title. I love him, and nothing can change it. You know something? I'm just praying that one day he will love me back.
You know something? I understand.
Love one thing. So funny. so funny. Love one thing. Someone is in love. Stop putting yourself on
in the days. Back in the days.
Yeah, this is called Tebogula.
Bravo. What are you doing here? Huh? I asked you to prepare my food, and you are standing here.
Is he your father?
I'm your grandfather. I am your grandson. Stop it, boy.
What?
You're a fine man.
Thank you for that.
You see, me too, I want to have a taste of that thing you have been giving to my friend Aquila.
Kwanzima, what have I been giving to your friend Aquila that you want something?
Back in the days. Ready, man. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Ready man. You too move for na mwentia. You too move for na mwentia. You too move for na mwentia. Asembe ba debi. Asembe ba debi o. Jaya kuboni idio, tichama wuli. Jaya kuboni